This is one of a set of 5 of dog collars, cat and dog collars. Goes for small dogs up to large dogs. They've got some soft material on the edges so it doesn't hurt your dog. They're adjustable. This is the small one. They are adjustable. It's got Velcro along the edge, so you can adjust it to your dog's neck size. Each one comes in a plastic cover to protect it. Like I said, there's 5, and the largest one is actually pretty large. I can't really show you, but it'll fit the largest dog that I guess you have out there. I really only needed one, but occasionally I'd buy stuff for dog rescue type organizations. So the other 4 that I don't use will be given to them. But these ones seem to be, they're fairly priced for the full set, and these ones seem to be pretty nice. So there you are. Thanks.